Are you looking for help in growing your YouTube channel? If so, you've landed on the right video. Stay tuned because I'm going to share with you 3 resources that can help you grow here on YouTube. Hey there, my name is Dan Currier. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Consider clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell so you're alerted to future content. But today we are talking about growing on YouTube. There are many different facets of growing on YouTube. A lot of people need help in a bunch of different areas, myself included. So I wanted to share 3 resources with you that I personally use to help grow my channels. Now, today's video is going to be focused on the YouTube creator who has already been uploading videos and is starting to get comfortable with the process and is looking for ways to elevate and move to the next level. If you're brand new, definitely check out the video. It's not going to hurt for future reference, but we want to focus on how you can take your established channel and start to elevate it to get some help in growing your channel without doing as much work as maybe you had to do in the beginning. Now, when I first started, I was using Photoshop to create my thumbnails. It was a tedious, time-consuming process. But then I found this resource, which is Canva. We are not sponsored in any way, but I absolutely love Canva. It is one of the most important tools in what I do. I've used it for everything from thumbnails to creating signage for my conference that I've held in the past, People of Video. So it's really important to be able to save time and also produce quality professional looking products. Canva allows you to do that either from scratch or through templates that they provide endless amounts of. And it seems like every time you come across something on Canva, which doesn't happen too much anymore, where they don't have a feature, it seems like they're very quick to add that feature and give you all kinds of tools and resources that you can use. You can even make videos. You can do vertical videos using some of your content. So it is a very powerful tool and it's fairly affordable. So definitely something that you should check out. I'll try to find a link and put it in the description below so you can look more into that. But it's definitely an all-around tool that is valuable and something that I still use today. So the second one that I wanted to tell you about is actually my website, which is tubetemplates.com. When I started trying to figure out how I could elevate the look and feel of my channel, I realized that it was really expensive to go out and hire a graphic designer to create, like those animated calls to action, subscribe, ring the bell, link in the description below, all of those things. To go out one by one and try to get somebody to do that for you was a little bit time consuming and potentially expensive. So I thought, what if there was a way that we could create affordable YouTube graphics and make them available to other YouTubers at a really low price point? So that's why I created tubetemplates.com. It has a ton of different graphics, everything from watermark subscribe images that you can upload to YouTube to actual animations that you add to your videos as you're editing. So ton of resources over there at tubetemplates.com. Graphics start at $4.95. So I'll definitely throw a link in the description below if that's something that you want to check out to try to elevate the look and feel and professional level of your videos. Now, this last one was absolutely a game changer. As I mentioned before, it is often really expensive to go out and find the resources you need, especially when you're trying to elevate what you're doing here on YouTube. Now, as you establish your channel and you're trying to grow, a lot of times real world issues get in the way. We all know that. We have, maybe you have a family, maybe you have kids, maybe you have other obligations, maybe you're still in college. So we're trying to find ways to get stuff done in far less time and definitely far less individual time that we personally have to put in the channel to help you grow. But how do you do that when it's just you? Well, one of the things that can be very helpful, but is often very daunting when considering, is hiring a virtual assistant. Now, virtual assistants can be very helpful, but it's often overwhelming trying to figure out exactly where to go, how to get one, what to look for, and how much it's going to cost. I came across this channel, or this website rather, that was really helpful to me, and I've since used it a couple different times, and I currently have people that I work with that I found through this website. The website is onlinejobs.ph. It is a website that's based in the Philippines that connects you with professionals in the Philippines who can do work on your channel in all types of different categories. Whether you need a graphic designer, whether you just need a general virtual assistant, somebody to help you on social media, all those things are available. And basically the way it works, you can go on there, you can enter the criteria for the person that you're looking for, and then Do all the searching you want for free. If you decide you find somebody that's a good match and you want to reach out, then they do have like a monthly subscription fee, but you can literally sign up for a month, get the people you want, and then cancel your subscription. So it's not like you have to do anything recurring on that. But onlinejobs.ph has definitely been a game changer for me. I have a virtual assistant and a graphic designer that work for me on a regular basis to help me grow my channel, tubetemplates.com. They work with me in a variety of different ways. So definitely helpful if you're in that middle range and you're like, how do I kind of take the next step in growing my YouTube channel? Then that is definitely a resource that you should look into. So these are just a few ways for you to kind of elevate what you're doing. And more importantly, it's a way for you to elevate while also reducing the amount of time you as an individual have to spend on your channel. Now, you're going to have to be able to delegate some tasks to your virtual assistant, and that comes over time. The best way to do that is to do it in small chunks, create little tasks or subtasks that you can document. And then you work through that with your virtual assistant to do that task. And then you build on that task and build on it. And eventually you have this entire process that's handled by another person. And it really makes the entire effort and journey on YouTube a lot more efficient, and it really helps you get a lot more done, and it's very cost effective. So I wanted to share these 3 ideas with you. These are 3 great resources that I use on a regular basis. I know they can help you grow as well. And hey, do you have other resources that could benefit the creator community trying to grow and expand their channel? Let us know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.